Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. How is everyone today? If you are new here, please subscribe, ring the bell if you'd like, even though I know you don't get notified for every time, every bell that you hit, because I know I have a lot of bells hit and I don't get a lot of notifications, but it's okay. So I'm just here today. I'm tidying up my desk a little bit because I found a new thing I like to do, like a new passion, we'll call it. And this is just me, guys. I go and I find something that I like, and then I go like a million miles per hour on it, and then I just stop because I find the next thing that I want to create. So I'm trying to focus and trying to train myself to just focus on one thing at a time and not have 9 different projects going on. So I do have a couple of projects going on, but here's my new one. All right, so I've been playing with beads, guys, and I've really been, all right, so when I first started with the beads, you know, because like the bead wrapping, I'm just going to be tidying up while we do this. I found the bead wrapping itself because, you know, you got to use this tool, and I couldn't get it. I just couldn't get it to look right. So then I was watching and I saw a video of somebody use a looping tool. It like makes the loops for you automatically. So once I know I've shown you guys this before, but I'll just do a quick demo. I'm sure I have like a piece I could have used, but so this is just the Hildy and Joe copper wire, silver plated copper wire, 20 gauge from Joann's. And all you do, it's just, you pull now you have your beads on, of course, on the other side, and then you just kind of pull this through, you click it, and then this comes off, and it is already wrapped for you. Now you can't do that fancy, you know, double wrapping and, you know, the spiral wrapping around with it, but this is what kept my interest, because if I had to do this and this and this, you know, so much, then I probably would have stopped again. So I'm just like coming up with different ideas. I was making some charms, and I was using the letters from the Dollar Tree, and then in between those letters I was using the Hishi beads that I got and just making little charms. So we made spring, we made crafter, I was trying to make a bunch of crafty, and then I ran out of Y's. That's why we got crafter, and then I think I ran out of A's, or I don't know, something. So then I made this one here, which is cute too, and then it has a little dangle on the bottom, these scissor charms that I have, and then I just created a little charm piece with the Hishi beads. And then we have another one that says crafty, and then we have one that says spring. This is going to go on one of the pocket letters, and then we have another one that says crafty. So I am pretty much out of these Dollar Tree alphabet beads, you know, unless I can think of other, you know, little words that I have the letters for. I am going to be ordering beads, but I'm not going to be ordering those. They're going to be more of the black and white and the white and gold, and they're going to be a little bit nicer than those, because I really like the idea of these charms. And then I also want to try to play around more with, let me get it, more with the elastic, this like the stretchy, to make the stretchy bracelets. But I find with this, I'll just cut a piece of this off. I find with this, where'd it go? Like, it's stretchy, but then you can overstretch it, and then it loses some of its stretch, I think. Or maybe that was an older one that I have. Yeah, see, if you stretch it, then it pulls and it's long. Now, honestly, if it's a bracelet, I don't think you would be pulling it like that to stretch it, but over time, will it? And I mean, come on, it's a stretchy bracelet. How long do we want it to last? But we want it to last a while, right? So, I don't know, I gotta figure out how to, you know, attach and play with that. So what else do we have? So then we made one that just says fun. Where are we, guys? Fun. And then I did the eraser thing, right, that everyone's doing with these little eye screws, right? And into the eraser, these I got from Target for like 50 cents on Valentine's clearance. Little radios. And then, you know, then just some beads, attaching some beads. And oh, so good thing in between the beads, you can put like seed beads, or you can put spacers. Where did I put them? I don't have them out. See, guys, I have stuff everywhere. But you can put spacers. I do have some. I only have one kind of spacer, but I have like 1,000 of them. You can put spacers. Another thing I discovered is this. Okay, so where did it go? I had it over here. It was a little pink. Pink, pink, pink. It was just one pink bead. Where did I put? Oh, here. All right, so guys, take a look, all right? If you don't have, because you know how our eye pins are a lot of times smaller than the hole in the bead, and then we'll put like some sort of bead cap or something. Well, sequins work just as well. Just as well. So cute, right? You just put a sequin on the bottom, you can put a sequin on the top. And let me show you the dangle charm thing that I'm working on. Now, let me just find the top. I think I need it bigger, what do you call these? Lobster claw for the top, or a different way to hang them. I did order some fasteners on Ally, but I just ordered them the other day, so we know that'll take forever to get here. But this one I decided to do yellow and pink for spring, and just look at how it just looks so, I think if I focus on like a color or a color scheme or a theme, then it's easy to just put the pieces on, and it just creates. And the more you put on, the more it creates. So like here's a bead, stacked beads with the sequins. Is this coming out clear, this video? I'm trying to look at it upside down, and to me it looks fuzzy. So yeah, we have the sequins in between the stacked beads on the wire. Pom-poms. Pom-poms work really well. I did find though with the pom-pom, and I'm using this, right, the looper, but you could also, if you were to, I wish I had extra pieces. Let me just show you. All right, yeah, like, so here's one. All right, so if you were to use a pom-pom, and you have your wire, right, and you're gonna set up your wire. Let me just pull out a pom-pom here. I'll pull out this purple one, I guess. The fun pom-poms, not the cheesy little ones. And the little ones probably wouldn't work anyway. So on the bottom of your wire, where you would maybe put a hook, a loop, what I did, because at first they kept pulling through, so what I did was I didn't use my looper on this one. I just took it and kind of, oh, where is it? There we go. I took it and did it this way so that it is open. See how it's open there? And that'll catch into the pom-pom and it won't pull through. So you have to be careful to kind of get like as much in the center as you can, because otherwise it'll pull through the sides. But if you have that, and it'll just pull in, and then it kind of catches the pom-pom. And then you can go ahead and however you're going to do it. This one will just leave plain on the top with my looper. And now I have a beaded, pom-pom. Aren't they cute? Everything is so cute. I do have to figure these out though, because it kind of looks off to me. Like I don't know if I should have like the chains and going like maybe a couple chains the same length, and then just start attaching stuff from there. I just kind of started doing it all willy-nilly, and I don't like the aestheticness of it, I guess. But I can add more and see if that works. But I thought these were so cute, and that's what I'm working on right now, guys. So yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to show you. And yeah, I will see you in the next crafty video. All right, I'm just gonna continue to organize my stuff here until I have to wake my son up. Have a good day. See you later.